Why do some Americans put massive subwoofers in their cars? We're talking about multiple subs, huge amplifiers, custom-built enclosures, and enough bass to shake the entire car. But why? Is it about sound, competition, or just having the loudest car in the neighborhood? Let's find out. For some people, car audio is simply about listening to music. But for others, it's much more than that. It's a hobby. People spend weekends building systems, upgrading equipment, tuning their setups, and showing them off at car meets. The car itself becomes part of the hobby, and once you start upgrading one part, it's easy to want to upgrade the next. So why do so many enthusiasts focus on bass? Because bass isn't something you just hear, you can feel it. Deep, low-frequency sound can make the seats vibrate, the mirrors shake, and the entire car come alive. And that's exactly what makes a powerful subwoofer system so satisfying. It's not just music anymore, it's an experience. In the United States, car audio has developed its own culture. You'll find custom builds, car meets, bass demos, and competitions where enthusiasts bring their systems together to see what they can do. For some builders, it's not about having the most expensive equipment. It's about creating something unique, a system that sounds different, looks different, and represents the person who built it. And once you get deeper into the world of car audio, things can get seriously crazy. One subwoofer becomes two becomes four, one amplifier becomes multiple amplifiers, and an ordinary trunk can turn into a completely custom sound system. The goal isn't always just to make the music louder, it's about pushing the system further than before. But here's something important. A huge number on an amplifier doesn't automatically mean an amazing system. The subwoofers matter, the enclosure matters, the electrical system matters, the installation and tuning matter too. That's why experienced builders focus on the entire system instead of just chasing the biggest wattage number. A well-designed system can be far more impressive than one that simply looks powerful on paper. So why would someone spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a car audio system? For some people, it's about the sound. For others, it's the challenge of building something bigger and better. And for some, it's simply the feeling of turning up the bass and knowing they built the system themselves. There's something satisfying about taking an empty trunk and turning it into a serious audio setup. You build it, you tune it, and then you get to experience it. And that's probably one of the biggest reasons this culture keeps growing. It's not just about the equipment, it's about the people. Builders share ideas, they compare setups, they help each other, and they constantly push the limits of what's possible. One person's build can inspire someone else to start their own, and that's how a hobby becomes a community. So after all of this, why do people put huge subwoofers in their cars? Maybe it's because they love music, maybe they love building things, maybe they love competition, or maybe they just love bass. And honestly, it doesn't have to be just one reason. That's what makes car audio so interesting. There's no single right way to build a system. Some people want clean, detailed sound, others want massive bass, and some want both. That's the beauty of car audio. And the crazy part is, we're probably nowhere near the end. Future systems could become smarter, more efficient, and even more immersive. Technology will keep changing, but one thing probably won't. People will always want great sound.